Good job through the tri-oval.
You're okay.
You get yourself about 3/4 of a second.
Look over here.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Get the car up in the 4th gear as quickly as you can.
Okay.
Your spotter's name is Jimmy.
4,400 RPM.
Say again.
Your spotter's name is Jim.
Jim.
Wait for him to tell you to come up on the track.
Roger that.
4,000 RPMs for the first lap.
Roger that.
When you roll out, 2,500. 4th gear as fast as possible.
Roger that.
When you come back to pit road after the run, nice and slow.
Roger that.
If you got an emergency, both hands on the wheel, eyes forward at all times. Push to talk. This will get you out of the 5-point.
Look all the way
Window
through.
net. Okay?
These-
I'll start
this
the car,
first
I'll
round
shut
is
the car
just to
off
get
for
your,
you. Give me first gear right now.
bearings. Get your.
Green, you're good. Any
lane.
questions?
No, sir.
Then we'll get
Okay.
rolling quicker sooner.
Plug your helmet in. Don't talk.
Maintain relaxed forearms. One of our ride cars is going to pass you coming out of 2. He's at your door. Bumper clear. 4,600, please, Eric. 4,600.
Can you hear that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Wait for him to call you by name.
Roger that.
Great entry into 3. 4 is the tricky turn. That's the money turn. You can either make or break your lap right here. 4,600. Let's go.
Holy shit.
Beautiful. Nicely done. Great line through the tri-oval. Exiting turn 2, please go to 4,800 RPM, 4,800. Just be mindful of that rev limiter, that 4,800. Let's gas it up, 4,800. Gas it up. Just be mindful of that rev limiter. There will be a discrepancy between the analog tach and digital chip. If you sense the engine stutter, back off just a bit until the engine becomes smooth. .800. Come on, gas it up. All right, Eric, checkered flag, round 1. Maintain your line, maintain your speed through turns 1 and 2. Keep on going. Maintain your line, maintain your speed. Still got 2 miles to go. As you exit turn 2, please decelerate slow to 3,500 RPM. Move the car to the left between the white line and double yellow line. That's the apron. We'll take the apron in all the way around. What are your thoughts on Daytona?
Fucking amazing!
Yeah, you will not believe how much more relaxed you'll feel in your second and third round.
Yeah, I'm holding the wheel really tight.
Yeah, just try to relax. Really relax your grip. Sit back in the seat. Keep on going, 3,500. Let's go. Still got a half a mile to go. Take your foot off the gas, place it over the brake pedal. At the end of the grass, please check your brakes. Stay between the white line and double yellow line. James will get your drink of water if you want. Tighten your belts and we'll go out again in a few minutes. All right, Rick in the 2, do you have a copy?
Yeah, 4.
Rick, let's go. Let's go ahead and have fun. and I want to thank you very much for coming out to the world here at NASCAR Racing.
Thank you, Jim.
Take your foot off the gas, open the brake pedal. At the end of the grass, hard brake check. Stay between the white line and double yellow line. At the appropriate sign. Rolling down pit road at a walking pace. Again, I want to thank you very much for coming out to Daytona. I'm going to Eric. Eric is 39. Let's go. Eric, do you have a copy?
Yes, copy.
Let's go. Come on. Give it some more gas. Look all the way down to that Sunoco sign. Let's get right to fourth gear. 4,000 RPM by that Sunoco sign. Get right up on that super speedway, 4,200 RPM. Remembering, as you exit turn 2, relax your hands, relax your shoulders, look all the way into turn 3 at 4,400 RPM. Let's gas it up some more. Come on.